right at 34 because technically this is 34 1/4. You don't want to do it right up next to it because then it'll actually be like this by 58 as well as the other one. So remember this one, we needed the 34 inches on this one. So, and if you look at it, when it says custom cuts from 27.5 to 33.5 inches, since my opening is larger than 34, these 34-inch blinds will work perfect. So I didn't have to have these cut down. Okay, so on this one, pull these tabs up and these tabs. Let's pull that out. So those last ones had brackets that open and close. These new ones have brackets. These are going to sit against the wall. So I'm going to take those down. So you want a drill bit that's smaller than the actual screw. That's about a finger width off the back. Now I'm going to screw in this front one. Okay, there's the first one. Now we'll do the same with the second one. Okay, now we're done. So these are from the previous one. We're not gonna worry about those. We can mud those and then paint them. But I screwed both of those in and I screwed that one into the top. Remember, same distance off, finger width. Now we're gonna put the blind up. These actually go up really easy. You have the opening right here. So you wanna make sure that's out front. Plus these will only go in one way. See how it's going to grab in the back, clip on the top. So we're just going to twist them in there. Just like that. So we'll add this. This is what I was telling you about. Only goes in. Okay, so I push in on these. That releases it. So you can see this right here is going to sit inside these tabs. So you can see how it holds it. Roll it into place. And then that locks in place. Now, these clip on like that. Before I show you that, I'm going to show you how this goes into the trim. So on these, that's how easy that is. You can see how it slides in there. And then this will be sitting like that up here. And then all we're gonna do is push this in place and that will hold it. Okay, so let me do that real quick. So I'll loosen this. Loosen that one. This has the groove, and again, you just push it and it snaps in place. Now you want to get that level. It's not as easy to move it around once it's snapped in place. Okay, that's how you put the blinds in.